It's Maestro on the beat, baby.
Yeye Oge of Shasha. I mean, everyone knows she loves fashion, so it just seems right. A very big opportunity for her. I mean, she's going to like mingle and associate with like bigger people and stuff. So I feel like it's cool. It's a very good opportunity for her and for us too. I wish I had the same thing I've always wished, that to just keep being herself. She should not change. She should just keep on doing the same thing she's doing, because we are used to whatever it is she's doing to us. So it's nice.
Keep being great. Like, I wish her the very best, and like
I wish I have good things. I mean, she already has good things. Like, but I wish her more. I wish her long life. Long life. Yes, long life.
We are celebrating success. Today we are celebrating accomplishment. Today we are celebrating a woman of virtue. I'm very happy for this feast today. It's a celebration of accomplishment. Mo bá yọ̀ gan ni, mo bá dúpẹ́. So I'm very, very happy and pleased to be here today. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run.
I'm so happy. It's like a dream come true. All I just need to say is just thank God. He has been so faithful. He has always been there. Simply, God is good.